YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanel and Quan show. Looking at me. You be acting so okay. Boosty, watch out. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanel and Quan show. So today we are going to be making pasta.
Primavera.
Yes. Bake. So today we're going to be making
Pasta.
pasta.
So today we're going to be making
Pasta. Primavera. Bake. Right? Anywho, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400. While that's preheating, go ahead and turn your stove on to medium heat. Boil a pot of hot water, and then you're gonna add in your pasta and your carrots, and let that cook for 15 minutes.
Lego.
Add a little salt. You don't stop staring at me, brother. Do we got a problem? Stop staring at me. You got beef? Because we can handle that on the streets right now.
Do you guys
I'm going to add a dash of oil.
I'm sorry, I cannot eat meat. You ain't even do the thing. You ain't even do the thing. You ain't even do the thing. What you wanna be? Wanna become the beef. I'ma hit you in your teeth.
What?
Come on, bro. That shit take forever.
It's not me, it's the pot. What you want me to do? Get in there and boil with it?
Yeah.
Really?
That'd be a hot sight. Hot scene. Hot sight.
No, it wouldn't. It would not. You get your hot ass in there. Alright, you guys, so while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start.
Alright, while that's cooking, we finna go ahead and get started on the sauce, man. So with that, man, shh, don't talk when I'm talking.
Trying to show out in front of the people. You ready to start on this sauce thing?
Yes. Are you ready to start on the sauce thing?
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start on the sauce. So, starting with your pasta sauce.
They smell so good. What's that? That Primavera that narrow?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all.
Mm-hmm.
You know that right there smells good, bud. Light it up and take a whoop. Hey, you can find me in the rolling on dubs, smoking dubs, roll the dick, do the dip, and do this. Yes.
Yeah.
You want me to keep stirring, man?
Well, I mean, don't keep saying it, but you know, stir a little bit, stir a
I
little
just
bit.
got done.
Stir a little bit, stir a little bit.
What? Oh, you had a banger, gang.
Alright, you guys, so the sauce is done, the pasta is done, so now I'm just gonna drain the pasta.
Drain that bit. So saucy, all the girls excited. Ooh, you know they like it. Pasta so saucy, so saucy. Ain't that right? Can you pour that thing?
This is what it's looking like right now.
That little.
Now you're just going to put it into your baking pan. I like mama
Bacon?
foil. Baking pan.
Bacon?
Baking pan.
Won't eat bacon.
I said baking
Oh.
pan. Alright, so it's all in the pan. Now you're just going to get some more aluminum foil and wrap it tightly around the pan. And next you're just gonna pop it in the oven and cook for about 35 to 40 minutes.
45, 47. It's hot. It's hot.
So cute.
Let's show that thing, man.
Alright, you guys, so everything is done. We did let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. So, you know what I'm saying? Big reveal.
That's that pressure, man. And since we started our plant-based journey, this is like the first thing you cooked, you made.
Yeah.
This thing is pressure. This thing is pressure, y'all.
So we sharing it with y'all.
That thing pressure, man.
Look at that. See that smoke.
Primavera, 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 primavera. So we finna plate that thing so we can taste that thing. Plate that thing so we can taste that thing.
Put it on your cue.
Got that thing all plated up. You see little D.Chanel did her little sprinkle, twinkle, tinkle on that thing. Yeah, me it look good, smelling good, you know what I'm saying? And this is definitely pressure. So I advise y'all, I suggest to y'all to check this out for yourself. Make it at home for your own family, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter if you vegan, plant-based, what is it?
All that.
All that, you know what I'm saying? This is great for everybody. Everybody can enjoy this, even if you're not on a eating diet, you know, this is perfect for you as well, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we finna get up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section. Walker, this is the D.Chanel show, and we out, man. Let's get this pressure though, man. It's so good. And you got the bread.
More?
That big bite.
No, not big bite.
That was big as hell.
Way.